wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now you see the box, man. We got the Hat Club exclusive. Now you know what we gotta do, man. We gotta go ahead and slice it down the middle. We gotta go ahead and peel it back. Wow. Shout out to the, come on, say it with me, man. Peel back gang, man. We out here peeling it back. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. We got the packing slip, as usual. Ooh, okay. First things first. Let's go with this nice classic Yankee, navy blue. We got that Yankee in that navy blue. Come on, man. You know the vibes, man. Check me out. Pink bottom right there. We got the hat size 7 1/8. We got that navy button top right there. Let's open it up. Now this is the real reason why I got this hat, because I already have a lot of New York Yankee hats, but I had to get this one. We got the 1977 patch in that pink. And see, I haven't seen a patch with this much pink in a long time. Plus it's on a Yankee. It's really giving me that Killer Cam Dipset vibe, and you know I'm a sucker for Dipset, Paul. So man, this is a 1977 All-Star game. Big Apple, you feel me, reference to New York and all of that. We have oh, okay, we got the Batterman logo, a flat Batterman logo. There is no pink in this. We have the red and blue standard flat Batterman logo, 1977. So that's why, if you can tell, the NY is a little bit thicker on this one, and that's because this is the one they had in 1977. But yeah, take another look at this patch. I mean, you got the AL and the NL logo stitched in there, man. Let's hop to the inside. You got the pink bottom, of course. All white guts, man. They're getting back to the white guts. And to be honest, I mean, I know it's a hassle as far as keeping clean, but when you think about it, man, it don't look. It looks the best when you have that pink with that white. That transition right there is A1, to say the least, man. We got the hat size, new era flag, and the Cooperstown collection right here. Yeah, I'm glad I got this joint, man. I was trying to go for this and another hat in the same drop, and guess what? I got both of them. So I guess you could say PayPal came through this time, man. Got the J tips on. Let's go ahead and take the J tips off. We're gonna go ahead and throw. Oh, this feels so good, especially coming from this joint, which if you saw my last video, it was a little bit big. You know, my people out there, y'all gave me some good advice on how to make the hats fit better when they're a little bit bigger, so I appreciate y'all for that. But to go from that to this, man, it's like night and day. I'm digging this for sure, man. Let me go ahead and give you one of these. Let me give you a little bit of that, you know, give you that side patch. There you go. Let them know, man. Let them know. All right. We got we also got the pin, you know, the standard issue pin on that. Hat number 2, man. You know what time it is, man. This joint right here. This is the second one I was going for. Actually, this was the first one I was going for. But just take a look, man. Before I even say anything, just a clean hat, man. We got the Chicago Cubs, size 7 1/8. I want you to take a look at that embroidery on that front logo, man. This is that throwback Cubs right here, that throwback Cubs logo. I want you to see how puffed up that is, how it's a raised logo, so it looks really good in person, man. 1990 Chicago All-Star Game patch, man. This is one of those patches, man, I'm really digging. They got the gold, and if it's gold, it's for me, you feel me? We got that 1990 Chicago Cub patch right there. We go straight to the back. We got the flat Batterman logo in that red and blue right there. We got that red button top right there. Pink bottom. I got a lot of pinkies, but I still need more. You feel me? I need a couple more of these things, man. Pinky, just look at that. Look at the stitching on that, matter of fact. Boom. This will hit me for 45 bucks. All white sweatband, like I said, man. If you only got like 1 or 2 hats, then don't go for the white sweatbands. But once you start your collection and you got a couple to choose from, the white ones, they gonna go hard, man, because I mean, they just look so clean. Now when they dirty, they look so dirty, but right now this joker's clean. We're gonna flip it in. We got the hat size, new era, Cooperstown collection. Yeah, man, this is one of them ones, man. This is one of those ones. I like that red button top. So if you got like the true, actually I do have the true blue 3s, but as soon as I saw this hat, I said true blue 3s, I think I need that, man. So let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me go ahead and throw the cubby on. Oh, this one is another good fit, man. The 1/8, man. I love the way this one is fitting, man. There we go. Let me go ahead and give you a little bit of this. Go ahead and give you that side patch. Some of this, some of that side patch. Now look, man, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications. You see that little bell? Go ahead and ring the bell, man. Check me out. I do have a giveaway coming up, so probably my next video I will be having the giveaway. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @theofficialace. That way you'll get all of the details for the giveaway, man. You feel me? This hat right here is cold, man. This was a cold combo, man. When the All-Star joints came out with these pinkies, man, I had to jump on, and I'm glad I did. You feel me? But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.